All right, let's take a look at this example. Question of the two statements, I go to the movies and I do not eat popcorn, versus it's not true that if I go to the movies, then I'll eat popcorn. The question is, are these two statements the same or different? Well, if we translate this into English, and this is a practice you'll want to get good at, translating English sentences to statements and back again. If we take P to be the statement, I go to the movies, and Q to be the statement, I eat popcorn, well, then the first statement says P and not Q. In other words, I go to the movies and I do not eat popcorn. And the second one says it's not true. So we have a big not out in front. It's not true. You see it there? Yeah, there we go. It's not true that if I go to the movies, P, then I will eat popcorn, Q. Okay? So the question is, are these two statements the same or different? Do they have the same truth value or not? And I'll give you a second to think on that yourself. Go ahead and pause the video. The correct way to do this, of course, is to do a truth table. So if you want to give the truth table a shot on your own first, you can do that. But okay, so let's go ahead and do it. What I've done here is I've got P and Q on the left, and every possibility 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And then I just go through and build up slowly. So first off, I do a not Q. So all I do there is just negate Q exactly. Then I take P and not Q, and I get 0, 0, 1, 0. On the other hand, if I want to build not P implies Q, well, let's do P implies Q first, and then negate that. And so what you get is that these two columns are in fact the same. And so we have two statements that sound very, very different in English, especially, and one's very awkward, but in fact they say exactly the same thing. That's what this comes down to. Okay? Hope that helps.